Hello and welcome to Gal Does Something Random on the Internet. This is me trying out something called 15.ai. I've heard about it before. I've had some of my followers send me videos using 15.ai before, so I'm excited to start getting into this because I want to take some lines from the Splatoon manga and put them into this AI voice box thing and give it a go. Oh yeah, also I have to give credit to the people who created 15.ai, so follow them on their Twitter. It's right there on the screen. You can see it at 15, spelled FIFTEENAI. Follow them on Twitter. Thank you for making this, dude, because you and your team, you put a lot of effort into this, and I'm super excited for this. So one of the first lines I want to try out is one of Bobble's most iconic lines from the first book, chapter 2, which is, "We're dead meat, ha 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 ha." So, let's go and grab a source, My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. So, the reason why there's so many My Little Pony voices is because these guys are literally the backbone of this entire project. Because the My Little Pony Friendship's Magic voices are so expressive that the AI had to use these in order to learn human speech patterns and inflections and all that. So, really, this is amazing. So, I'm going to go and grab Pinkie Pie here. And we're going to go into this little text box here and type in the phrase, which is, "We're dead meat, ha 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 ha." So, which is Bobble's line. And I did not do that. Right, I did not read it out loud like that, but I'm just reading it as I do. Like, how many times did she say ha ha? Actually, hang on, before we actually generate this voice, I need to learn how many times she says ha ha. Is it like 2 times? Hang on. I keep skipping the darn page. Here it is. 3 times, perfect. And there's actually a fair space in between, so do that. Alright, now let's generate this thing. Let's see how we can do it. I have yet to learn how to do the deep emoji emotional contextualizers. There's a lot of like instructions. Please read these. I've already read them and I still haven't figured out how to do the emotional contextualizers properly. So forgive me for not knowing how to do that. I'm still learning about this website as I go along. So hopefully we can all learn together. And it is taking quite a while to generate this voice. That's fine. This AI is actually learning still. So that's fun. That's why it's in beta, as you can see up there. So that's fun. Get to see how this turns out. I want to see how Pinkie Pie reads this line. I played around with this site a little bit beforehand, and it will generate like 3 lines of reading the same. Oh, it's done. Perfect. So, 77.93% accuracy, alignment confidence. Oof. So let's see if we can see how she sounds. What? Okay. Right off the bat, that one doesn't sound that good. Yeah, some people have used this website to make the AI have a stroke, so that obviously sounds like poor Pinkie Pie's having a stroke right now. Let's listen to this one, see if we got a better one. Oh no, that sounds worse. Okay, that one sounds a little bit better though, but yeah. Let's see if we could I don't know, let's regenerate just to see if we get a different result, because every time you generate it, it will give you a different result, because it's not confident about this one. It's like 77% confident, so it's like, yeah, I might be able to do this, I might not. Oh, that's gonna haunt my nightmares. I'm sorry if you guys are gonna have nightmares tonight, because that's Pinkie Pie reading Bubbles' line. Now, I want to say Then we should have, what do we, oh. We need to have SpongeBob read Goggles line, because SpongeBob's the most iconic one. That's how I found out that this website existed, because someone on TikTok was using the text-to-speech the version of SpongeBob. And I'm like, wait, where is this from? I looked at the comments, and they said 15.ai. So I'm like, okay, cool. So let's win turf war without a little help from your friends. Oh, what is it? No, back up. No, what is, oh, great. I can't even see what I'm typing. It's being weird. Now, exclamation point, generate. We're not going to put in the ellipses because it won't recognize ellipses. So there's that. Okay.
You can't win a turf war without a little help from your friends.
Okay, what was with that accent? Let's see.
You can't win a turf war without a little help from your friends.
I don't know. Let's see what this last one says.
You can't win a turf war without a little help from your friends.
Okay, so those sound perfectly normal. Unlike Pinkie Pie and her stroke laughing. I'm sorry, Bobble. Pinkie Pie has forsaken you. But now, thanks to that one, those sound fine. So, yeah, just imagine Goggles with that voice. Wait, hang on. Is what was her name? What is the captain of the Wonderbolts team? Is she in here? Spitfire, there she is. I want her to read Army's line because I would like that. Everything. Victory is everything. Why is there two spaces? It's not. Wait, don't forget punctuation. That's important. Worth battling. We don't win. Now, generating. I want to know how this sounds, because I mean...
Victory is everything. It's not even worth battling if we don't win.
Okay, that sounds fine. That sounds good.
Victory is everything. It's not even worth battling if we don't win.
Okay, she sounds aggressive there at the beginning.
Victory is everything. It's not even worth battling if we don't win.
Okay, she's very aggressive in that one. That last one sounds really good. I don't know why it's got a lower confidence alignment confidence than the first one. I mean, that one's got the best alignment. That one, mwah, perfect, beautiful. Hold on, who else is here? Who's it? Wait, hang on. There's not that many characters, but hold on. There's oh my gosh, we're gonna have to go and do Tartar next. We're gonna skip all over the place. But right now we're gonna go with. Let's do another My Little Pony one, because why the frick not? We already did Pinkie Pie as Bobble, so let's go with another, like, frick, I don't know. Gosh dang it, I don't know who to pick. You know what? Frick it. We're gonna go and do Portal Voice GLaDOS, and we're gonna go grab Tartar, because why not? I'd rather do that one because I can't find anyone for writer or you know. And also there are some voices from Team Fortress 2, so that's gonna be fun to see. But for now, let's grab, because actually me and some of the group chat in the Discord server actually were talking about an AU or something like that. I don't know. We were having fun. Now let's see if we can actually get the, oh, perfect. Perfect. I found the most perfect bit. Let's see here.
This is a nil statue, an image of the human life form looked like.
Oh, hang on. Did I type that wrong? Did I miss... I missed a word, didn't I? Frick! I missed a word! I'm a Dorcas. I missed a word. Of course I missed a word. That's fantastic. Okay. As long as you credit this website for doing the voices, you're good.
This is a nil statue, an image of what the human life form looked like.
That's really good, though. How about this one?
This is a nil statue, an image of what the human life form looked like.
Are those gonna be all similar?
This is a nil statue, an image of what the human life form looked like.
Okay, so those are all practically the same. But the first one was really good, so I like that. I like that one. Honestly, Tartar with GLaDOS sounds fine. I'm tempted to do Rarity's voice with Metri's line, to be very honest. I feel like the way that Rarity speaks with her, like, feminine beauty type accent, you know, like, darling child, sweetheart, you know, all that stuff. Like, I can see Metri doing that. Like, that's the way they do their feminine beauty voice. I don't know. Like, if they're trying to get their voices to sound like that, they're gonna take inspiration from Rarity, the beauty queen of My Little Pony. So there's that. Percentages. Let's see.
We don't approve of violence!
Oh, good lord. That's gonna be another nightmare fuel. Hi.
Hey, we don't approve of violence!
I think this one's having a stroke from the get-go.
We don't approve of violence!
So the last part was fine, but the hey terrifies me. I'm gonna... Yay, it's generated. Let's see here. Ooh.
You're famous for being ridiculous.
That last part was kind of creepy.
You're famous for being ridiculous.
Perfect. 10 out of 10. Oh, beautiful. But let's hear this last one.
You're famous for being ridiculous.
Okay. That one sounds mean. That was a little mean. But that's fine, because this character's a little bit mean. But Pearl's not, but hey, Diamond Tiara is, so why not? Okay, now we dare to do the Emperor lines with the amazing voice of Queen Chrysalis, because why the frick not? We have her loading, so let's listen to how she does Emperor's line.
So how do you like the taste of despair?
Ooh, I did not like that one.
So how do you like the taste of despair?
Okay, and?
So how do you like the taste of despair?
I hate it. Oh, we might as well use a Steven Universe voice. Because why not? In fact, I want to hear him do a line of Hachi's. Let's pull up line. Let's grab it. I don't know. I don't know what line to pick. Is this me? I fucked this up. Shall have him saying a line of Kamambu or whatever, how the frick you even pronounce it, I don't even know. Because I say Kamabo and there's not Ma. I don't know, there's no two M's, so I don't know why I say it that way, but I don't know what the correct way is, and maybe this AI of Steven will actually confirm the proper way of pronouncing it, because it's an AI, it's artificial intelligence at the best of it. Okay, here we go. Here's Steven from Steven Universe reading Hachi's line. Behold.
I was going after the Kamabo Corporation to save my friend who's been kidnapped.
Wow. Let me turn that down. You're loud. And you're not. I don't even have my volume that up, and yet you're really loud.
I was going after the Chemical Corporation to save my friend who's been kidnapped.
Oh, great, please. Oh, great. No, TikTok, no. Sorry about that. TikTok, I freaking, no, bad. Also, you like my wallpaper? It's Clyde crying like a little baby. Okay.
I was going after the Chemical Corporation to save my friend who's been kidnapped.
Kamabo. Nice. Also, it doesn't recognize it as a word. That's why it's in red. Okay. Cool. Now, a little bit more about this site. Let's see here. This is a deep learning text-to-speech tool for generating voices of various characters. The voices are generated in real time using multiple audio syntheses. I'm sorry if I butchered that. Algorithms and customized neural networks training on very little available data. This project demonstrates not only the significant reduction of the amount of audio required to realistically clone voices while retaining their effective I can't pronounce that word. Help me. But also the feasibly on-demand, stable, and autonomously improving speech synthesis application that aims to mimic a voice of limited ability. As of February 2021, this current iteration of the algorithm, version 13, is the most cutting edge in the fields of voice cloning and speech synthesis. So basically, this is a huge project. In fact, they have a little contribute page where it's like, TLDR, if you send the creator a data set of your favorite character, waifu, celebrity, whatever, they might include him in the next batch. Due to technical reasons, approximately uniformly distributed vocal frequencies, high-pitched feminine voices work the best. Cool. So that means if you send in and they actually give you more detail on how the frick to do it. Oh, and there's some problematic voices, the latest version of the model because of a reverb effect. You know, like the Smash Bros. Announcer, like it's like they have an echoey part. Yeah, that. So, yeah. Basically, they also give you instructions on how to send them a data set and blah blah blah, yada yada. I'm tempted to send in some South Park ones because why not? And in fact, there's a lot of scenes where they don't have background music and you can just listen to them talking, and it'd be best for me to like send in some because I want to have Eric Cartman on here because that would be fun, and maybe a few others, who knows. I mean, Kenny would be the easiest one to recreate. In fact, for a while they had a Sans on here. I don't know why he's not on here anymore. Maybe, I don't know what. I don't know why he's on here anymore, but earlier versions actually had him. So, yep, there's that. Anyway, again, to wrap this up, this is 15.ai, an AI text-to-speech website where they can clone voices of characters, and you can have them say whatever the frick you want. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.